Is your AC not cooling as good as new? Refrigerant line have lubricant and refrigerant gas in it. But after several years, lubricants start depositing in the line causing oil fouling, which may reduce the cooling of the AC. Set your AC to the minimum temperature and maximum airflow. Suppose you reach 12 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature. Let's fix this problem in minutes. Oil fouling can be solved with the help of next-gen additive Cool-Shot Ultra. Now, let's check how to use Cool-Shot Ultra. Firstly, lower down your AC temperature to minimum. Ask your technician to access the suction port. Then connect the NRV adapter to suction port. Use flexible connector if you find difficulty. If required, pump down the system. Connect the Cool-Shot Ultra with the flexible connector and inject in it. Let the AC run for at least 30 minutes. As soon as Cool-Shot Ultra starts flowing through the line, it cleans the oil fouling from the line. Let's recheck the minimum temperature. It is clearly visible that the temperature decreased from 12 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. Now it's done. Your AC has attained its capacity and efficiency as new one.